In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to log out of Google account on all devices. This prevents unauthorized access to sensitive data like emails, documents, and saved passwords, especially if a device is lost, stolen, or shared. To do this, simply head to your Google account. You can also use your Gmail app as well. You want to tap onto your profile icon and then select Manage your Google account. Here, slide to the option of Security. You will then navigate into the section of your devices. Head to Manage all devices. You will see all devices that are actively logged into your account, and also devices that once had access to your account. So to log out any, just head to the untrusted device. You might be required to enter your account password first, and once done, tap on Sign Out. Well, that's how easy it is to log out of all devices on your Gmail account. And if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials like this one.